impressive record as well. Very tenacious fighter. Very well rounded, very, very aggressive, very strong. That's great cardio. A really, really tough competitor fighting here now for the ACA interim welterweight title. He's just so calm and collective as well. Such a cool character. And I say, still so young. 26 years of age, in great physical shape. Just listen to that crowd. Going through his final checks. Looking forward to seeing this young man. He is a very, very bright future. Just listen to that crowd as he makes his way into the cage.